Okay, I found these USB volume knobs on Etsy. Not sure if you can hear it. It has a nice feel. It's got feedback. It seems to work really well. Oh, it even has the mute click. That is awesome. I'm very pleased. I think these were about $10 or $15, if that. So I received this one. This one has a micro USB cable it plugs in. I'll probably end up putting it somewhere down here if I change the radio. It's nice to know that these work with the join units. They also have this style. There's a USB. You can put it down and have like a USB plug. I'm going to plug it in my hub here. And we'll test that. I'm going to put this on pause. Okay, now it's plugged in. When I energized it, it had a light that lit up. Let's see. I'm not seeing any volume control from this one. Maybe it doesn't like that there's two volume control devices. Let's unplug one. No, this one's not functional. Interesting. So I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to try a couple more things and I'll come back and update. Okay, so I did move it over to the other USB hub port, and I had the other one unplugged. I did see it synchronized that time. It has a flashing light, as you can see, when it responds. But now it's working as it should. Same type of feel. Pretty nice. Has click to mute also. So all in all, I'd say these are a great solution if you have a joint head unit without a volume control and you'd like to install a knob.